Hello and welcome to Bonnamek. This is the first part of two. In today's part, we're going to change oil and filter on a Kia Ceed with a diesel engine. And on the next episode, we're going to change the lower control arms and the brakes. And the first thing, like you always, jack up the car. Is to jack it up and put it on jack stands. Grab a jack. And then do the same on the other side. Now, when you have the car up on the X, you need to undo this plastic bit that is on the engine to get access to the drain plug. Like you see, when you got rid of this, here we have the oil drain plug. You just need to check what size that socket is. Think is maybe this size, like a glove, and this 7mm socket. Don't forget to get something to pick it up in. And the fast and easy way is to take an old plastic can and cut the hole in the side of it. Then take some brake cleaner and clean a new washer on. Forgot to put it on rack, but with a tool like this, you can do like this on a plastic housing like this. You don't break plastic housing for a oil filter. That's a pretty good idea. Then you change, but before you put in the new filter, clean this with brake cleaner. Just drag out the old filter. And take your trusty knife. Remove the old O-ring. brake cleaner. And some paper. So, oh, you hear a click. Like that. Then you have a smaller ring on this stick. Need to remove with your trusty old knife too.
Now I have put new O-rings on. It all back down here. This shouldn't be very hard to tighten at all. Now before we install the new oil plug. Take a present brake cleaner and clean up a little bit before. And this will not tighten too hard. So you have brake threads and some brake cleaner before. Now it's time to put some oil in the engine. This engine. By the owners and your body. Just about 5 liters. So I will start by putting in 5 liters. Like I did. Now we're going to get false reading on the oil stick, but there's oil on the stick. suck it out.